So how can you make money on TikTok the right way? My name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I'm going to share with you my exact strategy that I used to grow my TikTok channel and my business from 0 followers to over 1,000 in under 9 days by following this strategy, and how I made over 6 figures in 2 months by implementing this step-by-step TikTok strategy that I'm going to share with you in this mini course. It's broken down in a 13-week mini series. I used to charge for this class, but I'm giving it to you absolutely for free. So what you want to do is you want to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss one of these mini courses that I've designed, very beginner friendly, so that anybody is very new to TikTok is going to have a channel up and running in such a short period of time and on your way to success. So hit that subscribe button. Don't miss a single video so you know exactly the steps to take. In this video, we're going to cover how to set up your TikTok account properly so that you can get customers and make money. Also, why it's important to set up keywords in your bio. That way the algorithm of TikTok will show your TikTok account to the right customer. All right, let's get into it. Hey everybody, welcome. Just excited you're here to learn all about TikTok and how to leverage TikTok for your business. So my name's Wendy and I am the affiliate Glammy on TikTok. And I'm going to share with you a bunch of breakdowns. I'm going to keep things very simple. If you already know a little bit about TikTok, then this might be a good refresher. I can guarantee you're going to learn some things that are going to help supercharge your TikTok and how you can get the best leverage out of TikTok for your business, okay? So it could be a good refresher. If you're brand spanking new to TikTok, that's good. You're in the right place. If you already know a little bit about TikTok, that's great too. You're in the right place. You're going to learn even more, all right? So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen, and the first thing we're going to do is we need to create, if you're new to TikTok, you need to download the TikTok app from your app store. And then you put TikTok on your phone, and then you're going to create a profile. And if you already have TikTok, you're going to create an absolutely new TikTok account. This is very important because what you want to do is TikTok is a search engine. So if you've already been posting about your dog and your family and, maybe you're running a different business as well, you want to make sure that TikTok knows you're an affiliate marketer, because then if all your content is focused on affiliate marketing, and then it's going to push your content to those people who are interested in what you have to offer. If you have little bits about your dog and your kids and your this and your that already on your account, it's confused and it won't push your content because it doesn't know. Are you talking about family? Are you talking about kids? Are you talking about this other business you have? Are you talking about affiliate marketing? It's confused. So when you create a streamline effect and just have one what you're talking about is affiliate marketing, it helps to reach the people a lot faster. You're going to get faster results. You're going to grow your account to 1,000 really quickly. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get started. Either way, you are creating an account. So let me share my screen here. All right. Hello, we see my screen. So I should be on my phone here. You should be able to hear me. So this is my TikTok account. And when you create a brand new TikTok account, you are going to have, your name will be just a bunch of mumbled letters, numbers right here and right here. That'll just be stuff, but we're going to go and edit that in here. Now, if you currently have a TikTok account, the way you create a new one is you need an email address, and you're going to go to this drop down at the top, Affiliate Glammy at the top with the little arrow, and you see it says add account. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to use the top one, use an email. So you can create a new email address in Gmail or Yahoo or whatever, and that's what you're going to use for your TikTok. Write this email address down if it's new, and the password you're choosing, just in case you accidentally need to re-log into your TikTok account in the future. So keep that really safe. So then you're going to see we have edit profile here. And you're going to click on edit profile. Now, I want you to create a very good, choose a very good picture of yourself, smiling, so you can see yourself. And I chose with a little bit of my grandchildren because I'm going by Affiliate Glammy. So you want to make sure your picture is of you looking at the camera, you smiling, and it's bright so they can see your face, because it's very important. We are in a business where you're on social media. People don't know who you are. They need to be able to feel like they can know, like, and trust you. And this is their first impression of who you are by seeing your profile picture, okay? So create something really nice. Then the name part, you could have as your name. I could put that as Wendy Nolan. But I want to have, I put it as Affiliate Glammy there. And then I also had my username. Now this username is what people are going to see. So when you comment on people's videos, or when you like something, it'll say Affiliate Glammy liked your video. Affiliate Glammy commented. So my name right here is telling people, when you hear Affiliate Glammy, first off, you think, whoa, she's into affiliate marketing. And she's, I think, a grandmother based on Glammy. So then they kind of put together who I am just by my name. So you want to really consider what name you want to use. This is important. I believe you should have something to do with affiliate in your title, but you can also choose something online biz, Wendy online biz. What you want to stay away from is kind of words that can be deemed as spammy, such as money, wealth, rich, things like that. So you wouldn't want to say get rich with Wendy or make money with Wendy, because I have had people in the past that have had money in their username and their content TikTok did not push out because they deem that as spammy. Okay, so you can see what my username is right below. This is my TikTok handle then. So if I'm ever to share it with anybody, that's what it would be. So that's what I'm known by. You also don't need to put any pronouns in there, but this bio is very, very important. So mine says, helping 50 plus retire early with affiliate income. So you want to have the word affiliate income or affiliate marketing or something in your bio, because again, TikTok is a search engine. So we want to make sure if people are searching affiliate income, making money with affiliate marketing, that they find you. And this is all keywords that need to be in your bio, in your username, so that TikTok can find you and put you in front of the right audience. So you have to be very niche down. You don't want to say, I help everybody earn an income online. No, pick your age group. If you're a stay-at-home mom, I help stay-at-home moms. You can use abbreviation for that. SAHM is a very common search on TikTok. So things like that. Maybe you're a truck driver, helping truck drivers stay home with their family with affiliate marketing. You only have 80 characters, so you got to play around with this, and you can use, like you see I have for you too, instead of using up some of my symbols in the word for you too. So you can get creative that way. And in the beginning, I think I did have my beacon link in here. So it did take up some where this free for you to start is. But you want to, I still even have a few extra characters left, but see how well you can create your bio and say exactly who your target market is. Maybe you're a teacher, helping teachers create income for the summer, whatever. So think about that. needs to be very intentional. Okay, so take your time with this. Don't feel like you have to do it really quickly. Now, your website, you can see my website there is, I created a beacon link, but you will not be able to have the option of adding that until you hit 1,000 followers. Okay. Another thing I meant to say is you want to create a creator account, not a business account. With a creator account, you're going to have a lot more options as far as music goes and fun things that you can do. But with a business account, you're limited. So you need to have 1,000 followers before you can add your website as an active link. Now, you're going to do what I'm going to tell you how to do in this class. You're going to get there at least within 30 days. If not, our goal is to get you there within 2 weeks or faster. I did 9 days. A lot of my students have done 6 days. So very quickly, if you're going to be following the steps that I've outlined in this class. But until that point, I always recommend you can attach an Instagram to your account here at the bottom. And that's important because until you have a link in there, you can create an Instagram account, and that Instagram account, you can have your link right in there. So when people, you say in your videos, comment below, then you can say to them, hey, check out my Instagram link up in my profile, and you can go directly to the information. So, and I always recommend using your TikTok videos and then repurposing them for Instagram. And I'm going to show you how to do that later on. All right, so that is basically your profile. So you can see where that information goes right here, all in this section right there at the very top. Helping 50 plus, retire early with affiliate income. You see my beacon link. So also on this profile, you can create in the top right, you're going to see the little 3 lines. And right there, you click on that, you can see there's creator tools, settings and privacy. So you can just explore around in here if you want to see your analytics, or you want to check out your settings and your privacy and your account and everything else. You can just play around in here and see what's what and change anything that you want. I don't go in there very often, but it's there if you want to. If you want to share your profile, you'll see the little beside your edit the profile, you can share your profile. That will help you to share it with a what are those called? QR codes. It says it right there. And you can see at the bottom, you can share it to many different platforms that way. And that's what you want to make sure. Now, after 1,000 followers, you're able to go live if you want. So that's something that you can work towards. And you want to make sure that you take your time going through all this so that you're very intentional in what names you put. I think if you did a different name, you wanted to change it, you have to wait 30 days. So take some time in setting this up. Don't be too quick or hasty. And yeah, so that's creating your TikTok account. Now that you have your account all set up the proper way, you need to learn how to post your first video so you can stop that scroll of your perfect customer so you can start making money on TikTok. All right, that's what's happening in the next video. I'll see you there.